Doing a deep conditioning or a deep moisture treatment for the hair makes the hair manageable, softer, and most importantly for us Indian wavy hair girls, it makes the wave beautiful. For us, where the hair is neither straight nor is it curly, the hair tends to get very frizzy when the wave is not well defined or if there's not enough moisture in the hair. For me personally, it's a big struggle because I have a combination of 2A, B, and C hair. So, it's wavy in some places it's straight. I begin my deep conditioning treatment with a good hair oil treatment because oil really conditions your hair and also nourishes the follicle. So, it gives you nourishment as well. I have been making my hair oil for almost 15 years. This is a fantastic hair applicator that I found on Amazon. It's really nice. It just makes the whole business of applying hair so much easier, guys. No katori and cotton story any longer. There's so much more control. You can go right into your roots and apply the oil really evenly all over the scalp. This oil I'm just going in over my scalp first, and as you can see the drops come in very gently, so tel ki barish nahi hoti hai. So it's very well controlled oil coming out. What is really important is that when you apply the oil on your scalp, the massage. Now the massage has to be done with your skin going clockwise and anti-clockwise against the bone of your skull. That is all. And like this, we cover up the entire scalp. Once the scalp is done, you can go into your hair, and going into the hair, the length of the hair is a little different. First, kind of, detangle the hair a little bit just using the claw method. I'm not going to use any comb in this entire routine. I didn't want to use a comb, but I'm going to be using another tool. So I take the oil and I apply it along the length of my hair very gently, just along the length, no pulling, no rubbing, no tugging at all. And the oil gets very evenly distributed. As you can see, I don't have hair fall right now, touch wood. I'm going to keep the oil for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'm going to begin my deep conditioning treatment. I'm going to be using 3 conditioners, a leave-in, a wash-off, and again a leave-in. I begin with the leave-in conditioner because this is going to help remove all the detangles without causing any breakage in my hair, and also kind of, lock in the moisture and hydration without causing too much of water damage to the hair. Conditioner number 1 from Cantu for natural hair. It's a leave-in conditioner which I bought. Galat purchase ho gaya. This is for natural hair, and I don't have natural hair because I have chemically treated hair. But this is a very, very good leave-in conditioner. I don't like the fragrance. Drench your hair really, really well. It's very important. Take the conditioner and go over all the hair. So you're basically trying to remove the bigger tangles and the knots. My whole hair is covered. I then go in with the shampoo. My most favorite shampoo, the Lux oil. I go in once, rinse it out, and then go the second time, rinse it out. Then I go in with my all-time favorite L'Oreal conditioner. This is a wash-off conditioner. The Cantu was a leave-in conditioner. Another good thing about applying the conditioner before you go in for the hair wash is that you're actually reducing high-grade fatigue. And now for conditioner number 3 from AsiaSpa Botanicals. This is a leave-in conditioner. You section out your hair, apply it, and then leave it onto your hair. I'm going to take my time in applying this conditioner, sectioning my hair out. Once done, I'm going to put on the shower cap and keep it on for about 10-15 minutes. This treatment will help not only strengthen my hair, but also prevent dryness and frizziness to the hair, which is such a big issue with wavy hair, especially now with oncoming monsoons. Wave is quite well defined. And I'm going to be putting them into my towel. This is a bamboo towel. Please don't ask me where I got it from. It was a gift. Every morning I remove my upper lip. If you know PCOD, it gives you so much of hair. I picked this thing up in college because paise nahi hote the to do all these things, and I didn't come from a family. They were like, हाँ बेटा जाके threading करवा लो, waxing करवा लो. They were like, simple raha karo. Do you see how the light, natural light, makes your skin so alive? That is the biggest YouTube secret. Always shoot in bright light and in natural light. My hair is fairly wet now with the leave-in conditioner, and you can feel the water also, but it's important to let your hair air dry beyond this. Because there's so much of deep conditioning and deep moisturization to your hair, you will find that your hair will dry out to be very soft, shiny and glossy. This treatment definitely helps in hydrating the hair and moisturizing it and minimizing frizziness and also breakage. I'm going to be using the Denman brush, which really helps in reform the waves or the curls. In our case, the Indian wavy hair, the wave. There are different ways of using the Denman brush. And you kind of go through them. And then you shake it. And like this, you go through your entire hair. Small clumps, shake, and the wave is formed. So this is one method. It definitely takes out the tangles. And then I shake it up. I think this works really well, shaking up your hair so it forms its natural wave. I don't have the patience to go through clump by clump. इतना ना dedication है ना time है मेरे पास really. So I'm just going to go through the whole hair. I'm going to remove all the clumps that are formed, all the knots that are formed, and once I've done that, I'm just going to comb my entire hair and then give it a shake in the end. You know, I feel rituals are great, but ultimately rituals have to be something that are manageable and definitely something that are not too time consuming. So I have been shaking my hair into forming a wave for years together, and I just feel it's most convenient thing to do. I'm not going to be using any serum or styling product because I want to see how effective this deep conditioning treatment was. Using this deep conditioning and moisturizing treatment has definitely made my wave very, very beautiful. See how beautifully well formed it is. I can feel my hair all soft and very, very manageable. And now I definitely need body on my crown, so I'm going to go in and take this section and claw through it and lift it up. थोड़ा सा off सा है, but I think it's okay. You don't want it to be very well defined anyway, it's going to fall in waves. I'm quite happy with the wet waves because they're very, very well defined. I'm guessing my hair will take about 2 hours to dry out, so let's see how that goes. Catch you soon. So here's my hair after about 2.5 hours. It's dried, and I have to say I'm so happy with the wave. It's beautifully defined and it's in its place. There's no frizziness, it's just gorgeous. It was a little flat on the crown for me because my hair tends to be a little straighter here. So I've pulled in some from here and put them up over here, so looking very, very nice. As you can see from behind, I'm so happy with this. I think my method that I've been using for so many years of just kind of brushing through your hair and giving it a good shake so the wave naturally forms. I've spoken about it in one of my really old videos. I think I did about 1.5 years back. Have a look. I feel that's one of the best, smartest, simplest, fastest way to get your wave back. Of course, if you have the time to take small sections and comb it out and clump it up, great. I don't have that time and I don't have that patience. I want my haircut to be simple, straight and fatafat. So I just comb through, shake it up, and the wave just forms on its own. I think it's just gorgeous. So this method really worked. How happy am I looking? Because I am so happy. Awesome. So you'll find the products in the description box, and I'm going to meet you in the comment box. Oh hey, so this is my hair on day 2. They are very soft, the waves are still formed, and there is absolutely no frizzing and no drying of the hair at all. This was a nice deep conditioning moisturizing treatment that I do at home. I do it twice a month. If you try it, let me know how it goes for you, or if you do it in a different manner, do please share in the comment box. My hair is generally not so soft and not so well formed on day 2, and that's where I have to go in with extra gel and the DIY aloe spray that I use. I've got videos on it. They're going to be linked in the description box.